Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You may notice I'm making Christmas chin in this video, even though we are already in January. This video was recorded during the festive period, but I decided to share it now because the message is still very relevant. And then life doesn't always let us post things immediately, which it's okay. And I thank God that after all the struggle and every other thing, I was able to be chance to talk properly about the live streaming app which I've been using and I've been earning from it. Nikki, Popo, Hala, Bolu Up, and so on. During the holiday, I made time. I had time, like I had more time at home, and that's when I really explore. I explore, and I'm hoping that this 2026 I will explore more live streaming app. I will make my research on how to earn from the comfort of your home, because you guys have been very busy lately. This 2025 I've not even had time for myself, from school to work. And then the only thing that really helped me was because my kind of work, I can just on my camera, keep it, and then I'll be working and be live streaming. So I've not really made time to explore and know other means of earning. I've not really had that time, but gradually I made friends, and those friends have been very helpful. They have taught me a lot. About live streaming app, and they always call me and tell me, there's another live streaming app, but would you like to try it? And then I will try it, and by God's grace, you see, I will earn from it. So this year is a new start. I've decided and I've prayed to God for me to start something. I would like to start something, to learn something online. I would like to learn something that can help me aside from my streaming. And I would also like to learn maybe anything. I don't know if you guys have any idea of anything I can learn. Maybe video editing, YouTube automatic. I don't know, but I'm just curious because I need to learn something useful. Because let me not lie, yes, the economy is bad, but still yet I've been feeling lately that I'm just there. Like, I don't know if anyone have had this feeling of just being in one place without moving, without growing or doing anything, just from house to work. But those live streaming app have really helped me so far, that I've seen that yes, it's true. There's really money online. Like, there are different means of making money online, which I will give it a try this year. I don't mind even if I don't make any, but I definitely know that I will earn from my live streaming app, which is sure, it's there already. I'm very sure of that because I've been earning from it. So guys, I will advise you to give it a try. If you are a stay-at-home mom, even if you are working, you don't need to do anything much. You can interact. You can just drop your camera and be working. You can play music and any other thing, and that's what you earn from it. So if you have any advice or any question you want to ask me, you can just drop it on the comment section. I really appreciate you guys. And then I will talk about my Nikki video that I've been creating. I've been posting Nikki shorts, so I will tell you how I've been earning from that Nikki video, like YouTube video. I've been talking about Nikki. I'll tell you how I've been earning from it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you will drop me a word of encouragement and advice or anything. Just drop it on the comment section. I really appreciate. Thank you. Bye.